In today's video, I'll share with you a powerful concept that has helped me and the rest of the tribe members increase the perceived value of our services to our respective target markets. By understanding this concept, you'll know how to plug in your services where it could make the most impact, thereby allowing you to charge more. Have you ever wondered why other freelancers can easily charge $1,000 to $2,000 or more per client, providing the exact same services that you do, while you on the other hand struggle just to close one single client? Oh, no. Well, there could be a lot of factors really, but it boils down to your ability to helping businesses to either increase their sales revenue or lessen their expenses, or even both. And the good news is the concept is simple and easy to digest even if you don't have any business background or you're a newbie in freelancing. The concept that has allowed me and my co-freelancers charge premium fees is the concept of revenue lines. To put it simply, every successful business backbone is composed of three parts: the leads, conversion, and retention. So adding or improving any or all of this can definitely affect their sales and expenses. So let's go over each quickly, starting with leads. So a lead is a person who has shown interest in your products or services. And many businesses actually spend, a lot of money on marketing strategies and lead generation tactics to bring in more eyeballs to their brand. For example, if you're on Facebook scrolling through your feed and you saw an ad announcing that your favorite milk tea brand is now on Grab, and you click that ad, you have now become a lead of that company. But then, visiting their page doesn't mean you're going to buy immediately, right? So that's where conversion comes into play, because it's the process of transforming your visitors or leads into buyers or paying customers. So going back to my example, after clicking the Facebook ad, you saw that they're offering a buy one, take one promo plus free delivery to your area. And because of this, you made the purchase and now you've been converted to a customer. And the last part of the revenue line is retention. So successful businesses don't merely rely on new customer acquisition, but repeat orders as well. Like Apple, they have created a loyal fan base of people who constantly buy and upgrade their devices every time Apple releases a newer version. That's why they don't spend as much money as the other companies on massive advertisement pushing their products to people. So now, you might be asking yourself, how does this relate to freelancing? Well,
it has everything to do with freelancing.
In fact, if you can figure out where your service fits in the revenue line, it would be easier for you to justify your fees. Let me give you some examples. Say, if a business is struggling to get quality leads for their products, and you happen to offer Facebook ads management that solves that problem for them, do you think they would mind that you charge $100,000 if you could bring them 1 million net in sales? I don't think so. Or let's say, perhaps, they already have a good number of visitors or leads, but only 1% is buying. So if your copywriting skills can help increase their conversion rates to 2 to 3%, do you honestly think charging premium fees will be an issue for them? Or let's say you're an email marketer in charge of nurturing their existing customer list, and say your email generated an extra 500,000 from repeat orders. Wow. If I'm the owner, I would definitely ask you to send emails more often. So here's my challenge for you. After watching this video, take the time to answer these 3 questions. The first one is, can my services help a business increase their revenue or lessen their expenses? If yes, number 2 question, where in the revenue line can I plug in my service that will create the biggest impact? If no, the third question is there a way I can connect my services to the revenue line? So I would totally understand if you would need to rewatch this video. Inside the Freelance Movement Tribe alone, we have an entire module that discusses this concept on a more in-depth level. If you're wondering what the tribe is, kanina ko pa sinasabi, well, it's a paid program and community founded by our chief, John Pagolayan, that teaches aspiring and seasoned freelancers build, a successful freelancing business. And I will put in the link in the description box below where you can apply to become a member. Yes, you need to apply and pass the screening first before you can enroll in the program to make sure that your needs and the tribe are a fit. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share this video to your friends and relatives who can benefit from this vlog. Again, this is Nikki B. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye!